Hi, my name is Dr. Melissa Mahon, and I'm so excited to be sharing with you an upcoming class that I'll be facilitating online through the Theosophical Society in America called Connecting to Earth Spirits, Whispers from the Earth. During this class, we'll talk about how to connect to the spirits of the earth, the different types of earth spirits, and really cultivate a relationship with these amazing beings. When people think about earth spirits, they're often personified or thought of as though they are people spirits. However, earth spirits were never embodied as humans, so they vibrate at a different frequency than other spirits you might have worked with before. During this class, we'll move through a variety of practices and meditations so that you can let your walls and barriers down, release any judgments keeping you separate, and create a deeper connection with the planet. In this course, we'll talk about receiving intuitive messages from the earth, work with a natural energy flow, and connect to our elemental spirit guides. You will receive a firsthand experience of how they can contribute to your life and what they can teach us about gifting and receiving. By the end of this class, you'll feel more attuned to the natural world around you, have practical tools to communicate with earth spirits, and experience a renewed sense of grounding, clarity, and magic in your everyday life. I can't wait to see you there.